Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today is a very exciting video for me because I'm gonna be decorating my house for Christmas, you guys. My first Christmas in my own apartment, and I just wanted to record it for you. Right here I'm just cleaning up the couch a little bit. This video is going to be a little bit of a voiceover, and also I'm gonna be talking some parts of the video. These pillows and the covers are from Amazon, and you guys know I'm gonna try to link everything down below for you guys. This garland is from Amazon. Most of the items that I'm using on this video are from Amazon because your girl was so desperate and I wanted everything to get here the next day. The garland, the quality, I'm gonna say is like a 7.5 out of 10. It's not the best quality, but it does the job. I also got these pines, and these have the white ending on them. I decided to spread them throughout the garland so it can look, you know, a little full. It won't look so sad. And like I said, this is also from Amazon. One of my favorite purchases from Amazon were these candle holders. You guys, so good, very good quality. I love it. The candles are also from Amazon, but I bought them at the beginning of the year and I decided to use them for that, and I just love the look. It's just so good. This wooden tray is also from Amazon, but the rest of the things my mom gave them to me, so I do not know where she got those from. You guys, I was so excited for this package from MIXTILES that when it arrived, the first thing that I thought is I have to record my video decorating my house. I was just waiting for this, and it was supposed to actually get here the next day. And as you guys can see, I went for the black and white theme. I don't remember the measurements for these, but I'm going to be linking the website down below, which I'm sure a lot of you guys know about it. And this is not sponsored, by the way. It's just that I decided to give it a try because they have come up on my Instagram page for a very long time. This is my what's it called, dining room little area. This is where I'm gonna place the pictures, the frames. I'm so excited, you guys. They look so good. I cannot wait to see them like up there. Let's see how we do this. So this is how it looks, you guys. I'm so in love with it, and I'm planning on getting another row of pictures. It's just that we haven't taken those pictures yet, so that's why that big gap over there. But you know, and I'm trying to have it at the same level as the window so it won't look like weird. But I'm loving it, you guys. Looks so nice, and it's gonna look even better when we have the third row. Perfect. For my tree, the only things that I'm gonna be using are these snowmen and this little pine thingies. These are perfect because of this little thing. You just stick it in the tree and that's it. I got this from Walmart, and this my mom gave to me, so I don't know where she bought it from. So we're gonna be working with this, and I already set up my tree. As you guys can see on this side, I went for the fake snow little look, and I had already put this on. This fits, as you can see, a little too small, but since you know that's back there, nobody will see it. I didn't want to return it. That was too much work. I got this from Amazon, and I'm gonna be linking everything that I use on this video down below if my mom didn't give it to me, because if she did, then I don't know where she bought it from. But that's how it looks, which I like. It looks really good. I didn't want to do that skirt thingy. And as you guys can see, I already started putting other things on the tree, and I'm, you know, missing this 3 over here. I'm going to be placing them somewhere on the tree, and I just noticed this big gap. I think I should move this little guy up here and just put a little pine over there. We'll see. But this is how the tree's looking. I love it. The tree's from Walmart. Pretty cheap, good ass quality. Highly recommend. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. By the way, you guys, in case you're wondering, my tree is 7.5 feet tall. but either way it will be linked down below. So this is the tree, you guys. This is the tree. I don't want to show my face too much because I look crazy. I love it. As you guys can see, it's simple but beautiful. I'm so excited because this is my first Christmas tree in my own apartment and my baby's first Christmas tree, so I'm super excited. That's what it is, you guys. But I'm humble, okay? Now I'm gonna go to the kitchen. The rest of the decor, the kitchen and the bathroom stuff are from my mom's house, but I'm sure these are things that you guys can find at Home Goods, Marshalls, even the Dollar Tree store. What do we think, you guys? Does that look good? Should I just fold it? I don't even know. Bang. What do we think, you guys? What we think? Fold it, not fold it. Come, mama. It looks so cozy here. I love it. I don't know why on camera Christmas trees, like the lights, they look so funny. By the way, this, I forgot the name of this, garland, something like that. I didn't know what to get, if to get it with the fake snow or get it like this, and I just ended up getting it like this because I feel like, you know, too much like snow thing was gonna be too much. I don't know if I did good. I don't know how I feel about it either, but I decided to get the ones with the white little paint things on top, the little pines, because, you know, it can go with the theme of like the little snow. But I don't know how I feel. What do you guys think? I mean, it's gonna stay like that. I'm not dealing with it. I'm not buying another one. I'm not returning. What happened, amor? So on this side right here, I'm gonna be putting some reindeers in black, but I haven't get them, you know. It says it's gonna come between the 15th and the 30th of this month, so we'll see.